Hello and welcome to the AI Specialization Orientation video. This video shows you the courses that will provide you with the necessary skills needed to fulfill the specialization requirements. These set of courses are taken by all computer science students, but can also be enrolled by information technology students if they want to have professional electives. Now, artificial intelligence is ubiquitous in today's daily experiences. Whether it's Netflix telling you what you would like to watch, Amazon recommending your next purchase online, Spotify recommending what turns out to be your new favorite band, Facebook recognizing who and what is in a photo, Gmail identifying spam, or Citibank detecting credit card fraud. The examples are endless. For more, just ask Alexa, Siri, Cortana, Bixby, or Google Assistant. So how much data are you producing? In today's modern world, lots of data are being collected and warehoused. Web data, e-commerce purchases at department or grocery stores, bank credit card transactions, and a whole lot of other applications have become input terminals to the unknowing user. So it is this data that helps organizations predict customer behavior. It also helps target people who may have an interest in a particular product. So right now we're drowning in data but starving for knowledge. Everywhere you look, the quantity of information in the world is soaring. The world's most valuable resource now is no longer oil, but data. So how do we make use of these to our advantage? Well, we spot patterns in this data explosion, extract useful information in order for us to gain competitive advantages. And that is why this is where intelligent systems come in. While there is a huge volume of data being created on a daily basis, these intelligent systems can take those data and quickly turn it into actionable information. So what is required? First, we acquire relevant data. Then we choose the appropriate algorithm. Then use the software tools that are going to process this into useful information. And then understand the domain knowledge so that it can be applied to the specific areas where that information is really needed. So with all of these four components, the intelligent system is what will help businesses and experts decide on what is the next action to take. So the result is a very high demand for people who can deal with these types of systems. Therefore, students taking this specialization track will be taught the concepts, tools, and techniques to simulate human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. So I'll now be presenting to you the electives that you will be enrolling in order to complete this specialization track. First of these is CS Elect 1. This course is an introduction to intelligent systems, so it's a general course. This covers different kinds of intelligent machines and associated algorithms. Different intelligent systems such as rule-based expert systems, fuzzy logic systems, frame-based expert systems, artificial neural networks, and evolutionary computation will be tackled in this course. So after taking this introduction course, you will then be exposed to the courses that are domain-specific. So let's go to the second course, and that is CS Elect 2 Visual Computing. This course teaches the student the basic concepts of digital image processing and different algorithms for image analysis. By gaining the knowledge of these, you can then proceed to create applications that can be used in facial recognition and biometrics. So the third course that you will be taking up is CS Elect 3 Natural Language Processing. This course introduces the theory and methods of natural language processing, or NLP, So NLP systems understand and produce human language for applications such as information extraction, machine translation, automatic summarization, question answering, and interactive dialogue systems. This course covers knowledge-based and statistical approaches to language processing for syntax or language structures, semantics or language meaning, and pragmatics or discourse for the interpretation of languages in context. So by learning this course, it will give you the rudimentary tools that you might need to develop the next virtual assistant. So you could add to Siri, Cortana, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby. The last course for this specialization track is CS Elect 4 Machine Learning. Now this course teaches the student techniques in finding interesting and usual patterns in large amounts of data. It covers fundamental concepts, techniques, and algorithms in data mining. Topics include basic concepts of data and data processing, data mining techniques such as association analysis, classification and clustering, and the algorithms used to implement these techniques. So students are made to analyze data in various forms, including transactional, relational, and textual data. So after finishing all the electives under this specialization track, you'll be equipped with a skill set of 3 probable job opportunities that you can apply for, and that is an application developer, an AI engineer, or a data analyst. So that's a lot of value that you can gain by taking up this specialization track. So before I end this video, let me give you this point to ponder. This was a quote that was given by Ginny Rometty, the executive chairman of one of the biggest IT companies in the world, IBM. And she said, and I quote, "Some people call this artificial intelligence. But reality is this: technology will enhance us. So instead of artificial intelligence, I think we'll augment our intelligence." So that's it. Hopefully that everyone is going to avail of the AI track, because it is a very high-paying opportunity for you, and it is a very exciting field of study in the sciences that are involved in the IT industry. Adelante, everyone.